right light there. You see it?
Bruh, I knew it. I freaking knew it.
Alright, hold on.
Sherlock Holmes.
No, come. Let me say a couple things first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now, you know, when we first started dating,
Yes.
I told you I'd marry you one day,
Yeah.
right? And after all these years, you're still that crazy, just beautiful and brilliant, smart, just super awesome girl that I first met and fell in love with.
But I knew it.
Yes. And yeah, I'm just really happy to be with you, and I've had a crazy time over the last couple of years, going through these experiences, traveling, planning our surprises, failing our surprises. But I'm really proud of us, and I just want to say, like, I want to continue going through this journey with you from here on till, and after we become old and pruny and disgusting, or at least one of us. Jokes. I guess what I'm trying to say is, you know, I don't want you to have to go through moving to a new city, adapting by yourself anymore, or long distance, or the time zone differences, or having to say goodbyes at airports and train stations, or most of all, you know, the holidays, spending the holidays and the birthdays apart from each other, okay? Je t'aime tellement, ma chérie, et je veux passer le reste de notre vie ensemble.
Oh, so cute.
Je veux soutenir toi chaque jour comme tu l'as fait pour moi, et voir nos rêves se réaliser ensemble.
Good job.
Mentionner Kazir, Jane, Mangi, Suyim, Janim. I lose it. Tividesh, Zaminia Zamush.
Wait, yes, that's that.
Yes.
Oh, no, it's not.
There you go. Oh, woohoo! Oh boy. Oh, wow. Keep going. Shake. More.
I love you so much.
I love you. Oh my god, you're so silly.
You like it?
Yeah.